How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to have a different kind of food, which is, it call it the Tahchin Morgh, which is not the usual everyday food. It's kind of delicate, and in some special occasion people they make it, but it's very favorite in as far as the looks and the taste. So the ingredients are rice and chicken and the rest, which is I using 3 cups of rice, which I already washed that, and about 2 pounds of chicken, which I used tender breast and a thigh, but you can use any part of chicken that you like, as long as it is not the bone in it. And barberries, about the 3/4 of the cup, 2 cups of the Greek style yogurt, and about a half a teaspoon turmeric and black pepper, 4 eggs, which 3 of them is just the yolk and 1 full, and lots of saffron. This is very essential. Be generous on the saffron, a liquid saffron. Salt, which I'm gonna use like about 2 or 3 tablespoons for the rice, the rest of them for the cooking the chicken, and some butter, half a cup of oil, cooking oil, and 1 onion. So what I'm gonna start doing going to cook the chicken, which I'm gonna put it in here with onion and turmeric and black pepper. So here going to add about half a gallon of water to cover it. That's it. And start to cook. While this is cooking, we are going to make the rice. There's hot water here. I drop all the rices in there, which are already washed and clean. I put some of the salt, as I said, here, and some right here. While the chicken and the rice are cooking, we are going to saute this after it melted the butter, and make it ready and put it aside. Okay, you don't have to cook it too much, just a little bit, as far as just getting, just maybe about a minute or so. And this is very sour, so for just taking the sourness out of it, I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon actually sugar to it. Okay, this is enough for it. Now it's a time to take the rice and drain it, because it's halfway cooked. I don't want to be cooked completely, because we have another 50 minutes in the oven. Now we are going to prepare the mixture of the yogurt and eggs. Okay, you have to beat it so much that it gets very, very smooth, so till the liquid is all in, just be even, no lumps, or roughness in it. So also this is the time that you have to add the saffron. And also is the time to add the oil, because we're not going to put the oil separate in a rice. So it's going to be mixed into here. And I'm going to probably add a little bit of liquid butter also into this. And so need a little bit more saffron. Look at the color, it's so beautiful, and that's what it makes it special. Need to put a little bit of salt also here too. My mixture is ready. Done. The rice that has been drained and washed already, it's a time for it to be mixed to the yogurt and an egg, and little by little to make sure that it's all getting together. As I said, we're gonna add some melted butter into this, and it's gonna be ready or mix the rice and the yogurt and the egg and everything to go for the next phase of it. I'm gonna use this container which everything is gonna go into that and go into the oven. So I'm gonna put the oil all over it, just not to stick to the wall. All right, and now the time to put some of the rice here first. Okay, make sure that it's going to be firm all over, and push it down to stick to each other, because otherwise when you take it off the oven it's going to fall apart. So push this down. Okay, here's the time for just put this cooked chicken. Make sure this chicken's not touch the glass, because otherwise it's gonna burn and it comes not the way that it's supposed to be. So make sure it has a distance between the edges. And also is a time to put the barberry here. So the rest of the saffron is left. I'm gonna just mix it so not to go to waste. Now I'm gonna cover all these things with the rest of the rice that I have already here. So, and also we're gonna push that down to make sure that it's firm and it not stick together. This is completely ready to be covered by the aluminum foil, and it goes to the oven for 380 degrees for about 15 minutes or so, or 1 hour. You have to look into that, make sure it's not going to burn, or when it gets golden brown, we take it out. So I'm going to put it there, and here we go. Just put a couple holes on it too, so steam goes out. Okay, I think it's done. Let me take a look at it. It's out of the oven. Whew. And show you how to put it in a dish and cut it to see how does it look like. It looks good. Looks good to me. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is what I was waiting for. Look at this. Look at this. Let's cut it and to see actually what it's going to look like. It looks great to me. Okay, thank you for watching. Until next time with a new food, stay safe and God bless all of you. Bye.